Hello there. Welcome to my channel, The Everyday Miracle. And in this short video, I'm going to answer many of the most common questions related to doTERRA's DigestZen essential oil blend. The first question being, what is DigestZen essential oil good for? Where do you put DigestZen essential oil on your body? And is DigestZen good for indigestion? I'm going to help you feel confident when using your essential oils. If you truly want to grow your knowledge about DigestZen, then keep watching this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you already haven't done so. So hey there, I'm Denise Ari, and I love using and educating others about essential oils. With so many digestive health benefits, DigestZen quickly received the nickname of the Tummy Tamer blend. DigestZen is infused with ginger, fennel, coriander, cardamom, anise, caraway, and peppermint essential oils, which combine together to help ease occasional stomach discomfort, maintain a healthy gastrointestinal tract, and aid in digestion. This powerful blend can be used aromatically, topically, and internally, and is great for at-home use or on the go. For those prone to motion sickness, DigestZen can also be used to diminish feelings of queasiness and occasional stomach upset. DigestZen provides a safe and natural way to assist in digestive health whenever you may need it. So, DigestZen is one of doTERRA's most popular essential oil blends due to its profound effect on easing occasional stomach discomforts. To purchase a bottle of DigestZen, you can just visit the DigestZen Digestive Blend product page. Like all of doTERRA's blends, DigestZen is made up of CPTG, which is Certified Pure Tested Grade Essential Oils. CPTG essential oils are oils that have gone through the CPTG protocol, which contains a series of strict tests that assess each batch of oil's purity and potency. If the essential oils pass these tests, then they are potent, high quality, and pure essential oils that can be used as single essential oils in essential oil blends or in essential oil products. When you purchase from doTERRA, you can feel confident that the oils you receive are high quality and effective oils that are ready to meet you and your family's needs. The purity of an essential oil is crucial when selecting essential oils to use and bring into your home. Unfortunately, many essential oils available for purchase contain filler substances or contaminants. Oils that are impure will decrease the power and effect of an oil. When you purchase oils that are pure, you will receive quality essential oils that have a stronger effect and will help to more fully meet individual and family needs. So to use DigestZen essential oil topically, mix it well with a carrier oil, something like fractionated coconut oil. Test the mixture on a small, inconspicuous area of your skin, like your forearm, before you apply it somewhere sensitive, like your face. If after 24 hours you do see redness or irritation, don't use it. If you don't see irritation, you're good to go. Now, I would like to share a few different ways you could use DigestZen essential oil blend. So the first way, if you are looking for a healthy and natural way to assist your digestive system, the DigestZen essential oil blend is an ideal option. DigestZen contains a blend of essential oils that will naturally aid the body in the digestion of food. To easily obtain these digestion benefits, add 1 drop of DigestZen oil to 4 fluid ounces of liquid and drink. Now, the second way is the unpredictability and discomfort of occasional stomach upsets can often put a damper on the day. When issues like these arise, apply 1 or 2 drops of DigestZen to the desired area of your skin, such as your stomach. DigestZen will also work to soothe occasional stomach upset when taken internally and can get you feeling ready to take on that day again. A third way is bloating and gas can make your stomach feel tight and full, often leaving you feeling sluggish and unappealing. If you experience these difficulties, use DigestZen essential oil. DigestZen will help reduce bloating and gas so that you can feel your best at any time of the day. The fourth way, does flying or driving long distances make you a little nervous? Next time you're planning on traveling for an extended period of time, just rub a little DigestZen on your stomach before you take your trip. The sweet, minty smell of DigestZen will provide a calming aroma, and you can also add a few drops of DigestZen to water and take it internally to keep the stomach jitters at bay. Number 5, holidays, vacations, birthdays, and family get-togethers often have something in common: food, and lots of it. So make sure you have DigestZen on hand for these occasions. The DigestZen essential oil blend can be used during these events to promote digestion when eating heavier meals. And 6, whether trying the cuisines of Italy or enjoying the tastes of India, introducing foreign food to the body has the potential to disrupt the stomach's normal digestion. When you are traveling or exploring new foods, use DigestZen to soothe occasional stomach upset and to promote healthy digestion. For a simple way to incorporate DigestZen into your regular routine, add DigestZen to your water or tea. This will help your body maintain a healthy gastrointestinal tract. And number 8, the DigestZen essential oil blend can ease feelings of queasiness. If you're experiencing queasiness, take DigestZen to dismiss those feelings. And one of the most relaxing ways to use DigestZen oil is by applying it to the stomach and massaging. An abdominal massage will bring soothing comfort to your stomach, and the aroma will provide you with calming feelings. And DigestZen can also be applied to a child's stomach for soothing comfort. So before using DigestZen for a massage, combine it with doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil to help increase the DigestZen oil distribution and minimize any skin sensitivity that you may worry about experiencing. So you're wondering just how to use essential oils? There are 3 common ways that we use essential oils. And the first one is by diffusing it. This is the fastest way to get oils to the brain. Just place 4 or 5 drops in a diffuser of your choice. Easy as that. The second is internally. Add 1 drop of essential oil to 4 ounces of water or liquid. Although not all oils can be ingested, so make sure that you check for that supplemental facts label to know just exactly whether or not you can take it internally. And then the third, of course, is topically. And this is the most common way essential oils are used. So you apply 1 to 2 drops of oil with some carrier oil like the fractionated coconut oil and apply it to your desired area. Again, possible skin sensitivities, so make sure you keep it diluted if you're afraid of that, and also keep it away from children. And if you are nursing or pregnant or under a doctor's care, consult your physician Kindly avoid contact with eyes, inner ears, and sensitive areas, and avoid sunlight or UV rays for up to 12 hours after applying the kind of hot oils like citruses. So if you're ready to use DigestZen essential oil, visit theeverydayMiracle.com/ready-to-go or email me at denise@theeverydayMiracle.com. Discover how great it is to use DigestZen essential oil. If you enjoyed learning about DigestZen essential oil today and know of someone who could use DigestZen, share this video with them and let me know in the comments below how you are using DigestZen essential oil. And thank you so much for watching and joining me on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Also, check out my other essential oil videos. If you want to know when new videos are coming out, subscribe to my channel. And remember, you are divinely protected and divinely directed by Spirit every day.